오늘 소개드릴 영상은 볼보 S60 사이드미러 교체 작업 영상입니다. 그럼 보시죠.
Okay, so I have a 2016 Volvo S60 and I'm going to replace the door mirror. So in order to do that, what we have to do is remove the door panel. So there are two screws behind the handle right there. So I have to remove these two, and then I have to pull the door panel, and then we also have to remove that tweeter. So all it is just needs to be pulled. It was loose here, and this one has a bleed, so there's two connectors. So I'm going to remove that right now. I'm going to unplug and remove the two screws. Torque 25. Okay, so plugs are disconnected. And then I'm going to remove the two screws right there. So we have a light in the bottom. I'm going to remove the plug, and I'm going to pull the door panel right now. Okay, so the door panel, you pull it forward, and there are the clips that are holding it right there. So I already unplugged it. So the mirror is the green plug, and then we have three of the torque 27 screws. So I'm gonna remove these, and the mirror will be out. Just like that. Okay, so the mirror should be off now. So I'm gonna pull it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna release the rubber here. It's right here. That needs to be loosened, pushed in, and then mirror is off. So right here we have a new mirror. Same color, so makes it easier. Okay, so I'm gonna insert it. under these tabs. They go under the trim. Mirrors in right here, and all I'm gonna do is bolt it in. Difficult once you remove the door panel. So
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요. 안녕.